Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on PowerPoint. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on PowerPoint, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you'll enter to PowerPoint. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to airplane mode. You can turn on your airplane mode, and then you can wait to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.